We will now create a building pad surface for our vacation home. Under the Massing and Site tab, Model Site panel, we're going to select Building Pad. I'm going to zoom in a little closer so you can see it. And under the Draw panel, we're going to select Pick Lines so we can create our line on off our existing walls. And when we do this, we'll hover over the west wall to start off, click, and we will pick each wall, and we'll make sure that they're connected and they create a closed loop. If they do not create a closed loop, then we will not be able to finish the sketch. So we need to utilize, under the Modify panel, we're going to select Trim, and the Trim command also allows you to connect and close lines, and this will be very helpful later on when we're creating a roof plan as well, or modifying a roof plan. We're going to finish the sketch, and now we have our building pad created. If we go to the building view under the 3D views tab here, you'll notice that the building pad is created. If I were to just hover down for a moment underneath the existing foundation plan and the foundation plan and also the retaining wall, you'll notice that the pad is there, and it highlights and tells you it's there as well, pad 1. We're going to save the file, but before we move on, I just would like to point out that though we created a simple topo surface using the Architecture Revit software by selecting some points, most projects that you'll work on in the near future will be a little bit more complex on site models, and most of the time they'll be provided by an engineer in a format such as a DWG file format, DXF, DGN, or point files. Then you'll be able to import these files into Revit Architecture project, whatever it may be that you'll work on, and you can automatically generate a terrain using the Topo Surface tool.